In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your video using Canva. This is a simple process, and it works using the free version of Canva. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to canva.com. Log into your account, and if you don't already have one, you'll need to create a free account before continuing. After logging in, click on the Create a Design button. From the options on the left, select Video. Canva will display different video templates. For this tutorial, we'll choose a mobile video template, but you can select any format depending on your project. Once the editor opens, go to the left-hand side and click on Uploads if you want to upload your own video. If you don't want to upload anything, click on Elements, then go to Videos, where you'll find free stock videos. Choose a video and click on it to add it to your canvas. Now, to add music, click on Audio in the left panel. Here, you'll find a selection of free music tracks. You can also upload your own audio if you want. Click on a music track, and it will automatically be added to your video timeline. If your video is longer, you can add more video clips, and the music will automatically adjust to match the length of your video. You can play the video to preview how the music sounds. Once you're happy with the final result, click on Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose MP4 video as the file type and keep the quality set to high. Click Download and wait for the file to finish downloading. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and play the video. You'll see your video with music added successfully.